This is a video review of the overhead phone mount by Posliv that you can buy on Amazon. In the description box below, I will put the link to this product. And as you can see, this is an amazing tool for YouTubers, especially if you're doing things like I do. Like I'm talking about the new rules for D&D in a lot of videos. So if I want to shoot down on a book, I want to shoot from overhead and have my hands free to like point out things in the book. Or if I'm doing a product review and I want to like have a mount so I can, check out the headphones and show people the features, this is an amazing tool. So basically what you've got here is you've got a clamp that clamps onto the side of the table. So any table or desk, and then you've got a swing arm here. So you can adjust this in various positions, right? And here you've got to loosen it up so that it's easier to move and tighten it up. Also has an articulating arm right here. This is where you would put your phone. This is the phone clamp. So it articulates this way and also this way. So you can actually use it as a stand. So if I were doing a product review, like a piece of fashion or something I'm wearing, I can like put it up like this. And in fact, why don't I just take my other phone here and just put it in the clamp. And you can see I can kind of almost do that one-handed. And then here we go. I'll open the video. And there you go. I can do a selfie of myself like videoing you right now. Or I can get that down like that. Tighten it up this way so that you can rotate it this way, rotate it this way. You can rotate this that way. All kinds of different ways you can do it. So anyway, this is a really great tool. I like it. I use it a lot. My wife bought it, and I actually kind of took it from her because I really enjoy it. But obviously, I can put it on her workstation really easily by just unscrewing this clamp here and moving it to another location. And it has this ring light on it, which is pretty cool because this ring light is, it doesn't look like much, but it's pretty versatile. I plug it into a USB, so I can plug it into the side of my laptop here. And it's got a control panel here. So here's the ring light. Just press turn on. And it has different, I think it has like 8, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 10 different strengths and 3 different colors. So there's like kind of more of a bluish light. There's your kind of orangish light, and there's your standard daylight. So having those options on a ring light that's automatically comes with it. It's a very affordable piece of equipment. And if you're, like I said, a top-down YouTuber, or you're doing hands videos, you're doing demo videos, you can see right here, like what the view looks like. Here, let me turn off that light. But yeah, I mean, you want to get it in real tight with some text or something, here you go. You're ready to rock and roll. And, if you're doing crossword puzzles, I do videos sometimes where I solve crossword puzzles. If you're doing live streams and you need your hands free to do something, this is going to be a great tool. So, all right. I guess I've talked enough about this, but I am not being endorsed by these guys, but I really like this. So grab your Posliv overhead mount and yeah, tell them I sent you. Maybe they'll give me one for free. But no, seriously, this is really nice. And if you use the link in the description box, I am an Amazon affiliate, so I will get a very small percentage of your purchase, and it doesn't cost you anything more, so I appreciate that. And I appreciate the 14,000 subscribers we have on this channel, which is pretty amazing. So thanks all you guys. We just passed that landmark, and I hope you will join us. So thanks for subscribing, and let me know if you did in the description box. Take care.